Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how do you change payment method in Redbubble. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up Redbubble and log into your account. So once you've logged into your account, so suppose you want to change your payment method, you can actually basically do that while you check out. So when you're making a purchase and while you check out, you can easily change your payment method while doing that. So how does that mean? For example, I'm just adding something to my cart. For example, this one here, we'll just use this just for demo. All right, so I'm going to all right, add this to my cart. So I'm going to buy this. All right, okay, so let me add this, and then I'm going to view my cart. All right, so once I proceed here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to check out. So click on checkout. So so when I click on checkout here, so what happens here is that here when you scroll down, you'll see your payment methods here. So your payment method varies according to your location, so keep that in mind. So based on your location, you'll have the options here. So you can either pay you by credit card, or by using your PayPal, or by using your Amazon Pay. So these are the options available for me. So you can simply choose any of these payment methods. So you can click on any of this payment method and then proceed with your pay with your order. So that's one thing. Or else what you can do, you can also like go to your profile and edit your payment option days. So go to your profile, and then if you go to account settings here, so under payment details, you can edit your payment details. So you can make changes here for your payment details. So you can also do that as well. So that's pretty much it is. So hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.